Welcome back to Dinar Current. Today, we bring you a game-changing development that could reshape Iraq's economic future and energize dinar investors around the globe. A major shift has occurred, and it's making waves across financial markets. The Iraqi Dinar Gazette has just released an official new exchange rate, a move that may signal a dramatic turn in Iraq's financial journey. Could this be the long-anticipated moment dinar holders have been waiting for? Stick with us as we dive deep into what this means for Iraq, the global economy, and investors worldwide. For years, speculation about a potential revaluation (RV) of the Iraqi dinar has persisted. Now, with this official update, confidence is rising sharply. The banking sector, Forex market participants, and government bodies are all responding quickly to what appears to be a major financial development. This is more than just a typical currency adjustment, it's a potential turning point for Iraq's monetary system. Why this matters? This isn't another rumor. The announcement published in Iraq's official gazette confirms a bold move toward economic reform. By altering the exchange rate, Iraq is aiming for greater financial autonomy, reducing dependence on foreign currencies, and fortifying its banking infrastructure. This milestone suggests that long-term reforms are starting to bear fruit. Still, the key question remains, will the new rate remain stable? What's fueling this transformation? Iraq's economic base is stronger than it has been in years. Robust oil exports and sweeping reforms in the banking system have added pressure on the Central Bank of Iraq (CBI) to adopt a more effective monetary framework. This newly announced rate might be the first real step in that direction. For longtime holders of dinar, this could be the breakthrough they've been hoping for. The foreign exchange market is buzzing, and momentum is building. If trends hold, Iraq might be on the verge of significant economic advancement. What this means for the Iraqi people? The implications stretch far beyond investors. A stronger dinar means greater buying power for everyday citizens, enhanced financial stability, and improved prospects for local businesses. It could bring down inflation, attract more global investment, and open the door to better trade deals. However, not all experts are convinced the new rate will remain steady. Currency fluctuations remain a risk, and the CBI will need to carefully manage the transition to avoid economic shocks. Impact on international trade. A more valuable dinar could reduce the cost of imported goods, a positive for Iraqi consumers and businesses. But if the currency appreciates too fast, exports could suffer due to reduced competitiveness. Balancing these forces is vital to ensure the revaluation benefits Iraq's economy as a whole. Foreign investors are watching closely. Those who have held onto dinar for years may now see meaningful gains. Still, with currency markets being notoriously volatile, staying informed and cautious is essential. Looking ahead, many experts believe this may be just the start. Some predict the CBI could gradually shift toward a managed float system, where the dinar's value adjusts with market dynamics but remains under central oversight. This model has worked in other emerging economies, and Iraq could follow suit. Meanwhile, Iraq's financial modernization is moving quickly, with digital banking gaining ground and less reliance on physical cash. The new exchange rate could drive more Iraqis to use formal banking services, fostering economic stability and stronger ties with international markets. A new chapter in Iraq's economic journey. Iraq's engagement with global financial institutions, such as the International Monetary Fund (IMF), is also evolving. Aligning with international standards opens the door to more foreign investment and deeper trade connections. This exchange rate update could mark the start of a promising new era. But continued progress will require sound financial governance and policy discipline. While this update has ignited optimism, it's wise for investors to remain prudent. Financial markets are inherently uncertain, and expert guidance is always valuable when navigating major shifts. Iraq's transformation is still underway, and although the signs are encouraging, long-term success will depend on thoughtful planning and sustained reform. Final thoughts. We're witnessing a potentially historic moment. The newly announced exchange rate is making a global impact, reigniting hope for Iraq's future. Whether this leads to a full revaluation or signals a gradual shift in monetary policy, one thing is clear: change is happening. If Iraq can maintain stability, attract investment, and build on this momentum, the value of the dinar may continue to climb. We'll be right here to keep you updated every step of the way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dinar Current. Let's stay informed, stay ahead, and embrace the opportunities this exciting time may bring.